Hi, is it from Zetster's Lab? Me and my little friends, we found a pit. Don't know what you call it. What do you call this? A well. A hand. You can see there's written something on it. Look how beautiful. And then look inside. There, how deep it is. You can also see there how they've built with the little bricks there. And then its hand. And there's the very dirty water. And look at the plants that is just hanging on for dear life. But wow, this is awesome. Huh. So that plant is losing its grip. But look at all its, what do you call this, those things? Roots. Look at all the roots that's just hanging on. So a little seed got stuck in the building inside the bricks, and it started to grow, and now that is actually holding the whole thing together. Wow, I don't know what that is. Piece of, yeah, it's just a piece of thing. So how great was that? I think we've lost the men. They, the father and my husband, they are on the path. So we are now picking up the little bike and then we're going.